So this big puddle came because of the rain. It was huge and it wouldn't go away. So I created this rainwater management system. We'll see how it plays out. It is a huge puddle, and this is all part of me beginning to nurture and connect with the land that I live on. Hopefully it works out well for me and the land. And if you take a really solid look, this runs down into the creek bed. There's a little creek created, has a directional water pour. And I'm very excited about this because, again, it's me trying to get connected